All right, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be talking about Money Printer. I don't usually promote affiliate programs on this channel, mostly just software, right? But in this case, this is a product that just hit today that I wanted to tell you about. I did take the entire course. I believe there's 11, 12, 13 videos, and I actually did watch the entire course yesterday. And this is a system that actually makes sense. If you're looking for a way to actually make money online, this is what I'm doing. And then they just put it in a much simpler way. They explain everything in full detail, and it's just very simple to follow. And this is just a way that you can actually go out there and build a real business. And I can tell you, it's an evergreen method that you'll be able to work on a daily basis whenever you get a chance. You'll be able to create the content necessary, build your following necessary, and then send the right amount of messages to that audience that you're building in a very unique way. So they put the whole system together. There's actually a free email marketing is involved as well. And there's actually a free place that you can actually sign up and use a specific platform in order to build your email list and so forth. So they put the whole thing together very simply for you. I'm going to show you what the inside looks like and one of the videos looks like for you. Before I do that though, I wanted to put together the best bonus package I've ever created, I believe, in 4 years. So if you do pick up this front end product, right? So it's literally $11 at the time of recording this. It just got launched August 29th, and it is from these two gentlemen right here, James Renoff and Dave Espino. And these guys have been marketing online since the late 90s. So these are not your turn by night, affiliate marketers. They've actually been marketing since the 90s. James is a top vendor, top 1% vendor on Warrior Plus, creates great trainings. Usually they're training products, doesn't do a whole lot of software stuff, but usually they're great training products on how to make money online. And then Dave is actually out there in the trenches building YouTube channels, has tens of thousands of people on his email lists. He used to have infomercials on late night selling how to make money with eBay, decades ago. So these are guys. And then Dave has also worked with Russell Brunson and so forth. So that's a little bit about the guys that created this product. Again, it's $11, and I want to show you the custom bonus that I put together for you if you pick up the front end product for literally $11. I just made this today before creating this video for you. This is going to be, and I literally made this today on August 29th. It's about an 18-minute video training. The method of Money Printer works, but you need a little bit more help with how to get traffic to the method. So that's where my custom bonus comes in, right? So I created this custom bonus just for this product. I call it Fast Tube Traffic. You're going to get fresh YouTube traffic training. You're going to learn how to research your niche on YouTube quickly and use AI in a unique way to create all your next video ideas automatically for you based on what is working for other channels. No one else is teaching this. You're going to get access to this immediately just for purchasing the front end product. So all you have to do is click the link below and click one of these green buttons right over here and then go purchase the product. You'll get instant access in your Warrior Plus account. You'll get instant access to this training. Okay. I wanted to put something extremely special together though, because I actually was on a webinar the other day by these gentlemen, and they have a very unique training put together that they've put together. It's called Six-Figure Traffic System. It is a high ticket or medium ticket offer. So it is $497. This is part of the funnel. And so there's going to be some one-time offers. I believe there's 4 one-time offers, but one of the offers outside of that is the chance to get in the Six-Figure Traffic System. And this is where James, Dave, and another one of their business associates do a training where they're teaching you all their secrets and unique methods to get traffic to any service, product, affiliate link, anything you're trying to sell online. They have all kinds of methods and strategies that they use on a daily basis. And it's not just YouTube, it's not websites. I mean, we're talking, I'll give one of them away. They have unique ways to use Reddit and not get your accounts banned and do it in the right way. They teach you how to do those things. And there's like a ton of probably 10 or more traffic methods. One of them is very heavy with Reddit, and they teach you the ins and outs of Reddit, the secrets of the industry on how to, get your posts to go viral, how to not get banned, and how to use Reddit and piggyback off of Reddit to get traffic. And that's just one of them that I know of, but there's several other ones as well. So this is like the holy grail of what you actually need online, which is actually getting traffic to your business, right? We got all these products, but if you don't get traffic, if you can't get unique traffic, targeted traffic to your business and your offerings, your affiliate links, your courses, whatever you're selling, then you're not going to be making any money, right? You can have the best product in the world, but if you don't have any eyeballs on it, you don't have any traffic going to it, you're not going to make sales. So this is a bigger ticket item, and I recognize that this is expensive, $497. But if you do decide to pick this up, I have the best bonus I've ever put together. In 4 years doing this full-time online, I've never offered this as a bonus ever. And so you can see right over here that this is actually what you would get if you purchase that product. You'll get instant access to it, by the way, because in Warrior Plus, I can actually choose the product that if you purchase it, you'll actually get this particular bonus. This is Affiliate Profits Academy. This is an over 10-hour course that I put together about 1.5 years, 2 years ago. Still, everything is still extremely relevant. And it's very heavy on affiliate marketing and YouTube. I've made over $400,000 on YouTube and affiliate marketing, and I show you the ins and outs. There's no stone left unturned. I teach you every single thing that I know of about affiliate marketing and about YouTube and about traffic. You can see that I'm selling this for $397. I sell this actually today live. This is a real training. Some of you have probably been on my webinar before. I know some of you have bought in this, and I've never done this before, but I want to give you access to this and kind of give you that extra for buying, a high ticket product from me. If you actually purchase this high ticket product from them, I want to sweeten the deal and give you a real world $400 product that I sell right now live for $397. And it's a 10-hour over the shoulder training course. And this is what it actually looks like inside. You've got module 1, affiliate marketing, and look at how many videos. I mean, look at this module 1. I mean, this is everything that you would need to know about affiliate marketing, paid versus free traffic, email marketing, the whole thing. So like if you're brand new to affiliate marketing and you don't have a YouTube channel, you don't know how to get traffic, you don't know about email marketing, I take you from newbie and all the way to expert through this whole training. That's why it's a 10-hour course. It's not an hour course where I'm expecting you to already know things, or I'm only teaching you one aspect of the game. I'm teaching you everything that I know. Module 2 is affiliate marketing programs, all the questions that you would have, like how do I choose an affiliate marketing program? How do I find products to sell? All that kind of stuff. Like, look, literally it's going over everything that you can think of under here as well. You've got choosing a niche. We take care of that. Keyword research, free traffic methods, paid traffic methods, YouTube. This is the best module probably in the whole training is YouTube. You guys know that I'm a full-time YouTuber, so that is unique training as well. You've got funnels and strategy. This is also very unique as well. How I build channels, how you can do launch jacking if you want to, how you can do all kinds of good stuff in here with funnel building, and then conclusion. So this is a 10+ hour course. It's the best product that I've ever created. And up until this point, no one's had access to it unless they've paid. I'm giving this as a bonus because this product over here, 6-figure traffic system, is a high ticket offer. Okay, so enough on that. Inside Money Printer, here's what it looks like. And I don't know if they're going to actually have this hosted on, they usually do ClickFunnels, and they have a nice course inside of ClickFunnels and so forth, but I'm not sure. I think Dave put this product together, and I don't know if he uses ClickFunnels. But at the end of the day, it doesn't matter, because you're going to come in here, you've got the PDF right over here, and you're going to come through and you've got all the videos, video 1, video 2, 3, 4, 5. So it keeps going, all these videos. You just click on them. So there's 11 videos. So you click on the video, and then you go, and right over here, you can see it's unlisted. So it's protected and you can't see the URL right over here. But this is, some of these videos are, 10, 15 minutes long. This is just one of the introduction videos right over here, but it's Dave taking you through how the process works. I don't want to spill too much of that in this video, but I took the entire thing. If you take this training, you get serious, you get that traffic package, and then you also get my 10-hour training course. You're going to have no excuses at all to go out there for, you can start for $11. You're going to have some extremely good training right over here, fast tube traffic right over here. But you're going to be able to go out there and actually start building a business. And these are just what's really working. So if you actually do what they're teaching you in this training, now I'm not really a big fan of like, this is just majorly hypey, right? I'm not going to bull crap through this, but this is just majorly hypey right over here. Like, and just not going to lie to you. Looking past all this and actually taking the training, like I watched all 11 videos. It's actually really good training, so something's kind of funny. It's like, leave a comment below. Do these products need to be this hypey? Do they think that people are stupid, right? It doesn't really need to be this hypey in order for someone to be like, oh, good training, oh, email marketing training. Cool. I need that. All right. $11. Yeah. I'm going to go ahead and purchase. Like, it doesn't need to be, this hypey. So that's one thing that I kind of don't like. And it's just a marketing game. Everybody does it, unfortunately. You guys know my products. I've never hyped up my courses and stuff. I tell you with no fluff exactly what you're getting, why you need it. And then I show you proof of everything, right? Now, I do know that these guys are making tens of thousands of dollars per month. And a lot of what they're doing to get that income, they're teaching you inside of Money Printer. So I can say that, but I do kind of think that these sales pages are kind of funny. But nonetheless, I vetted this product. I took the entire 11 lecture course. I watched all the videos. It is vetted. It is a good product. It's only $11. Pick that up. Go get fast tube traffic, another 18-minute video that's going to just build off of the Money Printer, and it's going to help you get more traffic to the business that you're going to be building with Money Printer. And then if you purchase the six-figure traffic system for $497, you're going to get a coupon code that you'll put in this box right over here, and you'll be able to unlock my $400 course for free, 10-hour course right over here.